about the money middle. I want to talk about top 10 projectors. Now, I want to tell you about top 10 of my favorite types of projectors, alright? Now, my 10th favorite projector is, of course, is it colors? Alright. I'm gonna stick with plastic like this one. Is the light projector, the blue projector. Now, I'm gonna do 3 projectors, alright? 3 of my favorites, because 10 seems like a lot to do for this video. Plus, I'm sweating it. And also, guys, you cannot. It's a little bit it's a little bit hot outside, and I'm a bit sweating, not quite, and making 10 of you way too long. So I'm just gonna do 3. I can't do 4, but it'll be a little bit. But so I just preferably decided to do 3. I'm not gonna push it too much and go to 1, because that'll be nothing. That's really one unless I tell a story about it. But yeah, let's just try 3. So let's get straight to number 1. Let's count up instead of counting down. Let's count up. So yeah, it's that little projector. Now I actually love that projector, and it shoots light. No light yet. Shoots into nothing. See that is very easy. And there's a yellow light that you can adjust, make like see, so it's a little bit red and not red. And if you've not seen projectors, maybe thinking like, where have you been? Have you never been to school? Like, because classes always have these little projectors with that interactive whiteboard. Have you never seen a projector? Like, where have you even been to not see a projector? Like, come on. Also, my other favorite projector is, of course, the Free Rally projector. A yellow circular projector that makes you look like you're inside it, inside the actual game. If you're playing like a 2D game, really easy actually. You know, like that. My third favorite projector is, of course, one of my favorite ones ever, the 5D projector. It is a very cool 5D projector, and if you look inside things like you can twist, make it double 3D. Very cool. Even feels like you're lost in a place. Make you think that you're floating. It's a very cool idea. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you later. Bye.